Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to explore more about the Capcut features as a content creation or content creator. So first thing we have to do here is just go open the Capcut application. So as a content creator, we need to know about the features that we use for our editing application. So there will be people say that never try never know, so make sure that you try everything that appear on your screen to explore the features. First thing, you can expand this and you will have an access about the products of the Capcut that you can use here. If you are using a free Capcut, make sure that you explore all of the features that have no pro on it. All of this product can you access freely. So that's the first way. And the second way, as a content creator, we also need to know about the updates or the viral video. So how to do that? It's so easy. You just need to go into the template, and there will be a lot of template, 1,000 template that you can use as your reference to create your video. You can do it today's stories and many more. Make sure that you choose the highest amounts of the recreator here. For example, this one is cinematic video. Let's try to get it.
Camera ready, action.
Right there. And after you find this really good for you, you can just click remix, and you just need to either you want to do a remix or you can also use template. So you just need to choose which content that you want to add here. You can do photos or videos. If you want to do the photos, just add all of the photos that we want to put on the template, and after that just go click preview.
Camera ready, action. Yeah, I go like lights, camera ready, action. Do you know what I mean?
Now just click export to export it. You can also adjust in the size of the files. If you want to make in 1080, go 1080. Now after that, just need to click done. You can save or directly post it into your TikTok account. That's the another way as a content creator to explore more about what is happening on social media these days. If you are not satisfied by using the template, you can just go click a new project. If you have no project, you just need to go into the stock videos that provide by the Capcut, and here I'm already prepared for you. And there will be a lot of features that you can access here, guys. If you want to edit this, just explore more, but today I would like to show you this awesome styles of video. Just go click in the style, and you just need to slide your screen until you found the end of this site. Now you just need to click this freeze frame part 1 and let's see what will Capcut give to us through these effects. You just need to wait until the process is generated into your project. Wait until hundreds. 3, 2, 1 and ready. And you can see here that you already have this style of video without doing a lot of effort. The Capcut is already did it for you. So that's the way to explore more about the Capcut features. Make sure that if you are an editor, try all of the tools that provide by your editing applications. That's how you learn. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you into another video.